I, Dean, express to you, Gailynne, that I faithfully will be committed to you as your husband. You are my closest friend, my faithful partner in life, and my true love. On this special day, I give you my sacred promise. Stay by your side as your devoted husband, and in sickness and in health, and in joy and in sorrow, through the good times and the bad. I promise to love you without reservation, comfort you in times of distress, and cherish you for as long as we both shall live. Thank you for loving me yesterday, and today, and tomorrow.
I, Gailynne, take you, Dean, to be my husband, to have and to hold from this day forward. Here in front of everyone that we love, I give you everything that I am, my dreams, my fears, my triumphs and my fears. I will continue to trust you and respect you, laugh with you and cry with you, through good times and bad times. Regardless of the obstacles we have faced, and we're committed to face them together.
Gailynne, with this ring, as a symbol of my love and commitment, I love you.
Dean, with this ring, wear this ring with the symbol of my love and commitment.
By the power vested in me as a minister of the gospel of Christ, I don't announce you husband and wife, because you already are, but we congratulate you on renewing your vows. Dean, you may now kiss your wife.
We have wedding photos, which, I love our wedding. It was absolutely wonderful, but it's hard when one person knows or remembers and the other one doesn't. When we look through photos, I know it's hard on him. So now we can reflect on today, and it was amazing how everybody came together, and we have a huge family now, and it's huge.
A message from the Government of Canada.